Once upon a time, deep within the lush green heart of a vast jungle, there lived a clever monkey who spent his days leaping from branch to branch, swinging joyfully through the trees. His favorite spot was an ancient fig tree that stood tall near the river bank, laden with the juiciest fruit one could imagine. Across the river in the monkey water lived a crocodile, stealthy, strong, and never watchful. The one hot afternoon, as the monkey sat munching on a delicious fig, he noticed a pair of eyes staring up at him from the water below. It was the crocodile. The monkey, being friendly and curious, greeted the crocodile with a cheerful smile. Hello there, crocodile. Why do you look so glum? Asked the monkey, his voice filled with concern. The crocodile, with a deep, high reply, oh dear monkey, I have been swimming all day, but I have not catch anything to eat. I am so hungry and I fear I won't last much longer. Feeling sorry for the crocodile, the monkey plucked a ripe fig from the tree and tossed it down the him. The crocodile gobbled it up gratefully and smiled for the first time in days. Thank you, kind monkey, said the crocodile. You have saved me from my hunger. Let's be friends. I will visit you every day and we can share stories and food. The monkey, pleased to have made a new friend, agreed. Each day the monkey would toss fruit down the crocodile and they would talk for hours, sharing tales of the jungle and the river. Day turned into week and their friendship grew stronger. However, the crocodile hunger was never truly satisfied. One day he returned home to his cunning wife, who had grown suspicious of his daily visit to the monkey. Why do you spend so much time with that monkey? She asked, her eyes narrowing with suspicion. The crocodile, feeling trapped, confessed, he feed me every day and we have become friends, but I feel conflicted because, well, I have been thinking that the monkey must be delicious too, especially his heart. The crocodile wife, more devious than her husband, cast a wicked plan. Why settle for just the fruit? Bring the monkey here and we shall feast on his heart together. At first, the crocodile was reluctant. After all, the monkey had been nothing but kind to him, but as his wife would echo in his mind, his hunger and greed took over. He devised a plan to trick the monkey and to coming with him to the other side of the river. The next day, the crocodile swam up the fig tree with a broad smile on his face. Dear monkey, he called up. You have been so kind to me, and I have a special treat for you. There is a tree on the other side of the river with fruit even sweeter and juicier than these. I want to share them with you as a token of your friendship. The monkey, intrigued and excited, hesitated for a moment. But how will I get across the river? He asked. I can't swim. The crocodile quickly offered, don't worry, climb onto my back and I'll carry you across safely. Though the monkey trusted his friend, a small voice in the back of his mind urged him to be courteous. But the promise of delicious new fruit was too tempting, and so with a leap the monkey landed on the crocodile's back. As they made their way across the river, the crocodile could not contain this excitement. Monkey, there's something I need to tell you, he said, trying to keep his voice steady. What is it, crocodile? The monkey asked, enjoying the cool breeze as they glided over the water. The crocodile hesitated, but then his hunger got the better of him. Well, you see, my wife and I have been longing to taste your heart. That's why I am taking you to the other side. We are going to eat you. The monkey heart skipped a beat as he realized the danger he was in, but instead of panicking, he quickly thought of a plan. Pretending to be calm, he replied, oh, my dear friend, why did not you say so earlier? If you wanted my heart, you should have told me before we left. I don't carry it with me. When I am swinging through the trees, I keep it safe in the fig tree. The crocodile was confused. You don't have your heart with you? he asked, slowing down in the water. Of course not, the monkey laughed. If you take me back to the tree, I'll fetch it for you. Then you and your wife can enjoy the finest meal you have ever had. The crocodile, not the brightest creature below the monkey tail, and immediately turned around, heading back to the factory. As soon as they reached the bank, the monkey leaped off the crocodile's back and scrambled up to the tree's safety. The crocodile waited below, but the monkey did not return. Instead, he called down from the highest branch, "You foolish crocodile, you thought you could trick me, but I outsmarted you. I trust you as a friend, but now I see your true nature. Let this be a lesson to you. Never betray the trust of a true friend, for greed will only lead to your downfall." Moral of the story: the crocodile, ashamed and defeated, slinked back into the water, realizing that his great had cost him not just a meal but a true friend. As for the monkey, he continued to live happily and his victory, wiser and more careful in choosing his friend. The story of the monkey and the crocodile teaches the value of trust and loyalty and friendship, and the consequences of greed and betrayal. In life, it's important to cherish and respect the bond we form, for a true friend is more valuable than anything else.